Hey you guys, it's your girl Kimberlyn XO. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm bringing you guys a wig review. It's currently fall, as we all know. That means a lot of warm brown tones, vibrant red tones. So I've been wanting a really vibrant red wig for a while. I did a wig review on one last year, but that one was more on the shiny side. This one, on the other hand, it's not that shiny. From the reviews that I've seen in the comment section where I purchased this, it's more on like the thick yucky side, so that's kind of what drew me in on this wig. And also it looked like it had pretty decent parting space. So this unit is called Lachan. It's from Sensationnel and it's in the color Neon Fire. So let's jump straight into this review. It definitely has a thicker yucky feel to it, but just holding it, it's very lightweight, so it doesn't feel like it's a heavy unit at all. So this is how the cap looks for cap construction. It has a comb in the very front, and then this is the parting space. And then there's also a comb in the back with the adjustable straps on each side. It doesn't look like it's too small, so it's probably big head friendly. I haven't tried it on yet. And it also looks like it has about 4 inches of parting space all the way down from the front of the cap to the middle of the cap, which is pretty decent. And then it has ear-to-ear lace that I'm about to trim off and try on. And along that lace, there's some baby hairs that were already pre-trimmed, which I'm probably going to trim a little bit shorter because they're a little bit too long for me. So far for shedding, it didn't shed that much. This is all the shedding that I got off of it, and I do think it's because of how close I cut the lace. Now to start customizing this unit. This is how the hairline of the unit looks without setting it with any got-to-be glued or even separating the baby hair so far. Okay, so continuing on with the specs for this unit. This unit I would say is 32 inches long. It's not too heavy on your head. As for color range, this one is in Neon Fire, but as you guys can see on the stock card, there is no natural color, so you're not going to get it in a 1B or regular jet black or brown. You'd have to go for something more vibrant and fun. So on the website, it says this unit is made out of 100% premium synthetic fibers. Use heating tools from 350 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, which is really good. So you can flat iron or curl this unit. So this is how the unit looks after customizing it. I put a little bit of powder on my part to make it look more natural, and it definitely looks more natural. I didn't have to tweeze it whatsoever, and I'm happy with how it looks. I added some got-to-be to the baby hairs, and I also trimmed them because they were way too long. And I also used some got-to-be spray to actually adhere to my hairline because it was coming up a little bit on the side next to my sideburns. I love this unit, you guys. Like I said, this is not a sponsored video. I paid for it myself. It was $40 on the website. It's a lightweight. The parting space looks beautiful. It doesn't shed too much at all. Whenever I was combing this with a wig brush, it did tangle up a bit versus whenever I switched to using an actual comb. That combs through it a lot smoother without knotting up as much. and it's not too shiny. So if you guys are looking for a nice, vibrant, colored wig, this is the one that I recommend. Now that I've gotten this one, I want to go try out other units from Sensationnel to see if they're as good of a quality as this one. But again, this is just day one. I haven't actually worn it out or anything like that. If you guys have any other wig recommendations for me to try out that you guys want to purchase, but before you purchase them, you're a little bit on the iffy side, let me know and I'll order them for you guys and give you guys a review of what I think about them. That's all that I got for this review. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and slap that notification bell to all to be notified the next time that I post. And thanks for watching. Bye, y'all.